Hello, my name is Brendan Camarino, and today I will be presenting my Tableau video assignment. A little about me. I am from Coral Springs, Florida. My intended major is business marketing, and I am in my second year here at USF. The dataset we are going to use is based on real-life data from a national insurance company. The data set contains sales data for 2017. Requirement 1 asks us to find and correct errors in the region and insurance type fields. And by quickly fixing the errors on the Excel file, we have completed the task for requirement 1 and can move to the Tableau. Once we open the Excel file, the one we were just working on that contains the data set, we move the data over into the Tableau. Requirement 2 asks us to rank the states in descending order based on their corresponding insurance sales. After doing so, we can see that New Jersey recorded the highest sales with $1,146,182.72. And Massachusetts fell to the bottom with $801,545.86. Requirement 2C has us list the states by the average of insurance sold. In the graph, you can see that New Jersey topped the list with an average of $826.97, and Connecticut had the least with an average of $630.70. This graph here lists how many insurance policies were sold in each state in descending order. Requirement 3 asks us to rank insurance sales by region instead of by state, from highest to lowest. When we look at the graph, we see that the Northeast tops the chart with $9,770,475.20. New England falls to the bottom with $5,075,358.05. Requirement 4, pictured here in this graph, lists each salesperson from the various regions in descending order by sales. The leading salesperson in each region were Matt from the Northeast, Jennifer in the Southeast, Dave in the Midwest, Peter to the West, Mario in the North Central, and Sarah in New England. Next is a graph that illustrates the total dollar amount of each type of insurance sold by region. We see professional insurance led in all regions. Requirement 6 has us make a map chart that shows total sales for each state. We can surmise that the Northeast dominates in sales over all other regions. One of the trends I found was classifying the data by region was not as accurate as doing it by state. Thank you very much and have a great day.